Okay, I'm back. I had a inch and a quarter of hail. I had to call that in, but this one is looking real nice.
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for your location.
Hey, bring them on camera, huh? Yeah, it's a slow connection. It's south of you, buddy. I'm down here south of Linden. I'm on the south side of this storm that's south of you right now. I might have to move. Yeah, I had like a inch and a quarter size hail falling recently, so I had to hop off real quick and report that on into the NWS. I'd say if anything happens, I don't know. There's a lot of updraft in here. I got a little bit of a something there. Yeah. That's done since it kind of detached itself there. If anything happens, it's probably going to be up in this area. Flying like a bat out of hell out of here. It's a little tight right there. I got a nice little inflow coming in right now. How am I looking on Atria? If you're on, let me know how I'm looking on radar right now. Watch has been issued. We're trying to produce. Yeah, I'm going to have to get the fuck out of here. Yeah. Alright, yeah, that's my cue to get the fuck up out of here right now, because I got rain coming in, I've got an outflow right now, and I'm on a dirt road.